about talent, you would have seen her. You would have seen her amaze the judges. Na-shock talaga sila. Lahat. The moment she sang, power talaga. Ito yung pride ng Pilipino talaga, ladies and gentlemen. I'm proud and we are so pleased to have her with us. She is a multi-talented singer and she is Asia's hot queen of rock. With pride, ladies and gentlemen, let us present the one, the only, Lea Manego! Darling, we're happy to have you here. Congratulations, talaga.
Thank you.
In all your undertakings and more success. So you'll be singing for us tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin a round of applause. She will surprise you all. Ito po, once again, Lea Manego!
Thank you so much. Ay, bago ko kumanta, pwede bang malakas sa palakpakan naman dyan? Na may kasamang sigaw! Maraming salamat for having me, no? Ayan, so, excited naman kayo sa aking performance, but this one, you can sing and dance if you know the song. Okay, let's go, DJ. Call me, I need you, my heart and mind. Come on, you can dance, you can sing. You come to me, why? Ooh, you come to me. Give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world of dreams. Put your hands together. And your eyes, I got lost, I gotta wash away. Yes, come on, mga Pilipino. Okay, more. Ano? Oh, ages naman to. Ages na to kanina. Okay, another song, DJ. Parang madami na yatang lasing. Okay, this one, you know the turnaround part? Baka si Sir, alam ni Sir to. Turnaround, Sir. Every now and then, every now and then, you leave me there inside a every now and then, you leave me every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And let's only be making it right. This will never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. You'll never take the shadow on me all of the time. I don't know what to do when I'm always in the night. Really need a panic right to give me that spark. Really need it tonight. Forever's gotta start tonight. Forever's gotta start. I really need it tonight. I'm gonna tell you. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Once upon a time I was falling in love. Now I'm only falling apart. Nothing I can do to break this of the heart. Yan talaga yun, magulat, right? It's very effective. Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the dark. And nothing I can say, a total eclipse of the heart. A total eclipse of the heart. Yeah, thank you, Al. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna sing a Luha. You know Luha by Aegis? Okay, you can sing in Okay, let's go! Sabi natin, yeah! May lasing na yata si ate. Lasing na yata. Alright. Okay, more. Ano? Oh, ages naman to. Ages na to kanina. Okay, another song, DJ. Huwag mong titibig. Come on. Pagpatulan mo'y lalo ka lang aasarin. Libing yung tato natin. Kasi malase. Oh my God. Sino? Sino ba sila? Kayo naman daw, kayo naman. Nasi. Nasi. Oh my God. Sino? Sino ba sila? I love it. Oh yes. Grabe sa atin. Sige ate, baba mo lang yan. Sino? Sino ba sila? Nasi ka man huwag na yan. Nasi ba nasi? Sino? Love it! Grabe, nalasing yan natin si ate. One more time, kamay si Kagi naman! Nasi. I cannot hear ya! Sino? Sino ba? Takasan nyo dito, takasan! Ay, nasi! Nasi! Oh, yeah! Sino? Sino ba sila? One more time, everybody, come on! Ay, nasi! Nasi ba nasi? Sino? Sino ba sila? Ay, nasi! Nasi ba nasi? Sino? Sino ba sila? Yeah! Nagkawala ni Mama! Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, SPH. Samahang Pilipino na Netherlands. Maraming salamat. Ah, yes! Thank you!
We're so excited. We're so happy. And all our friends here from the embassy, they said they could go now because they have a trip tomorrow. So maraming salamat up there. We are proud of you and we are praying for your next step. So Holland's Got Talent, that you will bring the bacon home. And we have sa ating mga Pilipino. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the one